Okay, here we have a fridge that's been making a clicking sound. We've gotten 2 parts to replace it. The starter, which hooks to the compressor, and the run cap plugs on it. And you just heard the click, and then the run cap. And here's part number. So we got them for $33.01 for the starter and $11.99. We got them at Marcone's in Jacksonville, Florida. Anyways, the starter part number. And then the capacitor number. And we have a Frigidaire stainless side by side. Temperatures have been going crazy for a freezer on the left, fridge on the right. And it's because this compressor hasn't been starting. It's not running right now, just the fan's running. And we've been hearing a clicking, a lot of clicking, and it comes out of that. Didn't even touch it, you just heard it. And it tries to turn the compressor on, you hear it? And it'll click and go off in a second. You heard it? So basically that's what's been going on with ours. And the problem is in the starter and capacitor. So we'll get the new parts. Again, part number for the starter. Part number for the capacitor. Then they plug together. Basically 2 little slots there and a peg at the top, 2 little bars there, and in the hole. I gotta set the phone now. Let's see if I can do this. Michelle, you come hold this. So basically plug this together right there and then over the hole, and it just pushes on tight, and that's what holds it. So now this plugs to the compressor, your power wire from your fridge plugs to this, just like it is down here. The plug is on the compressor and the power wire is up underneath it, and this one's been making a clicking sound. I'm gonna see if it does it one more time. I think it's about to again. Listen. There it went again. So it tries to come on, but it clicks right off. So it's straining right now. You hear the compressor trying to come on, but it won't, and so it clicks it back off. Okay, we'll do the fixed version in a minute. Actually, let's go ahead live. Let's shut the power off. Now that we know the power's off, we done got the wire clip in the back off out the way. So it should unplug fairly easy from the compressor. It's just a tight spot up in here. Okay. Now we got it unplugged. That's what it looks like, the old one. And there's the piece. I'm gonna show you, come hold this again. Okay. And went right here. So we'll unplug this one. Little clip. Then we'll plug this one in. Only one way, little clip. Okay. Then we're ready to put it back on the compressor. Swing it around and try to show me going up under here. You got the water line you got to get around. There. Then once you got it, you just push it on.
It is freaking hailing outside. Come here. Holy crap.
And that's how you put it on. Let's go see the hail.
Our vehicle is getting pelted right now. I'm gonna have dents all in my hood. Oh my gosh!
Wow.
Big one. Yeah.
Huge. All over the top of the car. Truck. Man, it looks like snow out here, don't it?
No. I think that was in the garden right
I know, I see them. They're still dropping. They're bouncing everywhere. That's all hell.
All of it?
All that
there.
wire?
That's huge.
That is huge.
I ain't never seen one like this.
Not from me either.
Bigger than a golf ball.